Welcome back to Car Review. Today we take a nostalgic ride into the world of elegance and simplicity with the 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A fusion of German engineering and Italian design, this car was never about brute force. It was about style, charm, and the joy of driving. With its hand-shaped curves and timeless silhouette, the Karmann Ghia remains one of the most beautiful cars Volkswagen ever produced. The 1970 model stood out with refined details, slightly wider taillights, and improved safety updates, yet kept the sleek, flowing lines that made it so admired. Built on the Beetle platform, it offered a familiar, reliable base, but added a touch of European sophistication. Whether parked or in motion, the Karmann Ghia had a presence that turned heads wherever it went. Under the rear hood was a 1,600 cubic centimeter air-cooled engine producing around 57 horsepower. It wasn't fast, but speed was never the point. The Karmann Ghia offered a smooth, laid-back ride with the classic sound and feel that VW fans loved. The light steering and tight handling made it perfect for city drives and scenic routes, inviting drivers to slow down and enjoy the journey. Inside, the cabin was intimate yet inviting. Simple dials, slender seats, and minimal distractions reflected its purpose as a stylish cruiser rather than a sports machine. It was a car for those who appreciated craftsmanship and character over numbers and specs. Every detail, from the steering wheel to the dash, felt thoughtfully designed and timeless. Thanks for watching Car Review. The 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia continues to capture hearts with its elegance and simplicity. It's a rolling piece of art that reminds us why some classics never fade. If you love unique, unforgettable machines, like and subscribe for more stories that keep automotive history alive.